At Lotus, us is more than just two letters. It's the foundation of who we are, a commitment to every person we serve, and to each other as one dedicated team. Us represents the bond we share with everyone: patients, healthcare providers, communities, and every member of the Lotus family across the globe. It's our promise to deliver more than medicine. We deliver trust, hope, and the confidence of a healthier tomorrow. Through innovation and experience, we tackle the toughest challenges, make appropriate therapy accessible to all, and breaking barriers worldwide. Because we believe health is a right, not a privilege. Confidence in every dose isn't just a promise. It's what we build daily, through care, precision, and dedication to excellence. Every step is driven by our shared purpose to improve lives. To patients, this confidence means trust in their healing journey. For healthcare professionals, it's the assurance of quality and reliability. And for everyone at Lotus, it's the pride in a job done with compassion and purpose. Because at Lotus, confidence is more than what we deliver. It's who we are, united by a vision to make medicine accessible, affordable, and compassionate. It's the spirit that connects us, motivates us, and drives us forward as one team. Lotus, confidence in every dose.